Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday afternoon, January 2nd. We are looking at window traders' market profile of the ES and the NQ. So, well, what a way to start the year. We start with a gap lower, filled. We tried to go trend up, fails. We tried to go trend down, fails. So, all 0 for 1 on those. We got both sides of the overnight. Both sides of the IB. To start the trading year, only the overnight low. NQ holds their gap. Okay, they're the only one. They're still holding that gap. So not only do they have the double distribution day from Friday, they have a gap to contend with and a very, very decent sell tail. Very good trading day today. I think we led the room perfectly. I did nothing but short the market. I did not take a trade after G because I had to leave for the afternoon. I came back late but didn't do anything. M period does its usual causes its usual havoc as it rips up, takes back the trend day, and gets 8 wide and closes closer to the day's high than the day's low. Righty goes out. They did price probe to the downside, but not by a lot. They go out just with their day's high and their day's low. NQ goes out with an afternoon rally high in F and the day's high low. We just have the day's high and low. I'm not carrying forward an 8 wide point of control. So like I said earlier, I would just look for shorts on a day like today. Okay, I shorted ES to go get the overnight low. I shorted NQ because they had really good tempo and volume back and forth on the ebb and flow, right? We love those ebb and flow trades. Did NQ again in B period, same for the same reason. Then I went to ES and C period to get the IB low, which worked out nicely. Now, we got our IB low, but that's all we did initially. NQ got the IB low and got some decent distance. I'm in 5s now, but never went trend at that point. Then in D period, I was also short in NQ against the one-time framing, and when it stopped the one-time framing, I took it off. That was a small loss on that one. Now, E period and ES took a short because I did not believe we would go trend up. I thought we'd fill the gap, but which we eventually did, but not until G period. And I also had that short, so did well on a short in E and in G. Just missed the day's high by 2 ticks. Shorted 97, got to 97.50, rolled over. The one trade I should have taken was around F and G and NQ. The way I shorted this up here, should have shorted this, use B's high or 5 points above that as my out into the sell tail. Didn't do it. I will take both trades, in both these indices from time to time. Not often, but I will. NQ acted a lot weaker than any of the other indices. The Dow Jones hit an all-time high today, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? The Dow put in its all-time high today. Okay, got to 37,790.08. So new all-time high for the Dow today. Which pretty interesting considering we gap lower in these other indices. As far as destinations go, for the upside, and I'm very happy with the volume. We're at 100 million already with the after hours, so not bad. Our upside in SPY is 473.67. Downside is today's low of 470.49. So if we open up inside of today's range, expect a lot of chop tomorrow. In ES, downside is 65.50. Now the upside, and I'm not doing it in SPY, but I am in ES. 97.50 is our high for today, but I am carrying forward the overnight high of 48.28 because that's the yearly high as of right now, right? So I will carry forward overnight highs or lows that certainly are a new all-time high and probably monthly highs and lows also going forward. All right? And then on the chart, here's our monthly. Okay? In ES. Still no new high yet. Still waiting for it. Haven't gotten it yet. We'll see if we do. We ended down a little over 0.5%. NQ ended down 1.6% with that rally. Okay? So we're still up on the monthly. Look at the weekly. Finally, after 9 weeks. Now, I'm not going to say it's a 3-week balance just yet because this is day 1 of the week. If we come in more, it could become a 4-week balance, right? So it all remains to be seen. But we're into balance finally on the weekly, and the daily is down, okay? NQ touched off their 20-day moving average. We have not gotten to it yet. So we are now officially down. For me, to get back into balance, we have to take out yesterday's high. 105 million on the tape already, so a good start to the year with volume over 100 million. Boy, would I love to average 100 million a day. Wouldn't that be nice? Anyway, we had 3 new people sign up over last night. Great start to the year as far as seeing the room for them. Come check us out at camelbacktrading.org. Thanks for the likes and subscribing to this channel. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.